We're gonna start today's project with dipping large brush in yellow paint. Next, we'll create a straight line in the middle of the artwork. Now you can paint a couple more lines above the first one. We'll dip our brush in orange paint to add a couple more lines above yellow part. Let's blend orange and yellow by pressing brush on the border of orange and yellow, left to right and right to left. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and cover the rest of the white area above orange. We'll use a little bit of orange paint to blend orange and red. Let's wash and wipe your large brush. We'll paint a curved line connecting horizon line and the bottom of our artwork. After creating a straight line, we'll paint in the rest of this area. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light green paint. We'll outline and paint in the rest of the white space. After giving paint some time to dry, we can get a small brush. We'll use white paint to create outline for the lighthouse. We'll start by creating two lines, a wider one on the bottom and shorter one on the top. Now we can connect two lines on both sides. I'm making my lighthouse a little taller and adding a window. Next, we'll create outlines for the red stripes of the lighthouse. Everything else will be painted white. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in brown paint. We'll start painting ship by adding 2 straight lines, wider at the top and shorter at the bottom. Next, we'll connect the edges and paint the shape in. From the middle of the boat, we'll paint a straight, long line. Now we can add a little door to the lighthouse. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light blue paint to add waves. We'll add a light blue triangle roof on top of the lighthouse. After creating outline, you can paint this triangle in. Let's switch back to a medium-sized brush and red paint. We'll paint red stripes on the lighthouse. After washing and wiping your brush, we'll dip it in white to paint sail. We'll start by creating an outline and then we'll paint it in. On the other side, we'll paint a smaller sail. Let's switch to a small brush and red paint to add a small flag on the top of the boat. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint to paint in window of the lighthouse. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and we'll keep using yellow to paint a beam of light. We'll switch to a small brush and white paint to paint seagulls in the sky. You'll start by creating a little dot, and from there you'll paint an arch on each side. Let's repeat this step couple more times. A little dot, then a brush stroke on one side and on another side. Now we'll be adding second layer of paint where it's needed. Using small brush and dark green paint, we'll create grass. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more.